Hello and welcome to another Octagon video. Today we're going to be putting together the solar panel and we're going to be doing some soldering, jumping right into it. So there's a diagram that I showed in earlier videos. Probably get it to appear P&P, but for the sake of this video, positive is going to go that way. All negative leads need to face that way. So we want 6 volts, and nominally these are 2 volts each. So what you want to do is put 1, 2, 3 in series, and this is part of the next panel, so I'm just going to move that over right away, and we only need to work with one row of 3 at a time. Okay, then we'll grab the first 3. We basically just need to put positive to negative, and then we've got 3 of them in series. There we go. .4. Okay, I'm over 5. Do the next 3. There we go. Okay, happy with that. Just 2. Okay, back over 5 volts. And we got the last one. Rock and roll. Gotta put things together. Just putting some instructions up in front of me. So the next step now is to start putting some of these rows together to each other so that we can increase the amperage. So what we want to do is come down on the negative side this way, and then we want to come up on the positive side this way. So let's do it. And I'm going to give this a whole twist. Start by twisting everything 90 degrees. Apparently the leads are too short. Okay, this is done well. I should be able to grab the whole thing, flip it over, Christmas tree lights. Okay, so we'll declare this a final product for this video. Thanks for your attention, and we'll see you in the next video.